Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel Tech Baljit. In this Angular tutorial, I am going to implement the functionality of drag and drop on tables. As you can see in my screen, I have these tables with three rows, and these three rows are draggable. I can drag it. Now you can see if I drop this row at the position of second, it can be placed here. So to implement this functionality, please watch out the full video, and now after that you can implement this functionality and get to know how to use Angular material in Angular. So without getting any delay, let's get started. Let me put this position at here 1. So let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, what I have here is just a pretty blank blitz project. I have not made any changes yet. So let me first remove this whole content and here type the h1 tag with drag and drop table, drag and drop table, and you can see here is h1 is added, project forked, and you can see once it compile it will show drag and drop tables. So now let's create a new component of name table, add it, and create new component name at table, and you guys see a table, and now have to call this app table selector in here, and you guys have to close the app table. Okay, so now you have to first write the in modules that a table component is exist in my files. Now a table is what I have done here is a table component. When I add this, a new table component import line is added. So now our table component is working in our app components. That's good. Before starting the work, we have to install some dependencies. Let me first add bootstrap. Here type bootstrap dash css dash only, and you guys see a message installing dependencies. This is means bootstrap is going to download on our project. So after that, once it's installed, you have to write another command. You have to install @angular and materials, and this Angular material help us to make the project of drag and drop very easier. So that's cool to install this. Once bootstrap is installed, you have to enter this command. As you can see guys, bootstrap is now added in our project, as the project is also compiled, and now we are enter the project to yes, we install Angular CDK. It is very necessary to work on their drag and drop project. Of course we need this. So install missing dependencies, and once it installed, you have to come to the angular.json file. Okay, so let's move to the angular.json until it's download, and here in styles you have to add this line. I have already added this line in my notepad. Let's add this line. This line is add the bootstrap, which is I downloaded. You guys have to add this line here, and once you add this line and the Angular material is going to download, I have to compile this file again. I have to compile this file again. So now I have the table. Let me move this table content to the our table component.html. Let's replace the table workspace tag to our table content. So let me remove this comment. Let me remove this. Yes. So guys, once it's going, let me add some bootstrap stuff here. So for adding some bootstrap stuff here, you have to write the table class. Let me add it. Here going to the class. I'm skip this part to save our time. After the recompilation, again processing, once it's going to reload this project, and you guys see our bootstrap is added to this file. So that's looking good. Now add the functionality of CDK drop list. Now first you have to go to this app.modules folder and add some imports. and add here a drag drop module, and you guys see the recommendation for this. Once you typed here, if not see the recommendation, you guys import. I provide this line in comment. Okay, so yes, our drag drop module is added now. You guys see here in ng modules, drag drop module is added. So let's move to the table component.html and make this table dynamic. So to make this table dynamic, you have to come to this ts file. Let's first create a list of objects to pass the table data. List of objects which create id, one, name, uh, section. So guys, as you can see, I have created the list with the objects. So now I have to come to the table.html file, and here in tr I have to, in tbody I have to remove this tr rows, so that one remove can add this data dynamically. As you can see, here is now one row. Let me remove this also, and looping through the dynamic data. So let's add some ng for loop, and let data of table data, and here you guys see a dynamic content of like data.id, and here you guys, okay, let me remove this. Here you guys need to be data.name, and I am giving the pipe title case so that its first character is like coming with a capital ID. Yeah, as you guys see, let me fix it. Once I write this data dot description, yes, let data of table data, this is also coming, this also coming, but yeah, add is not coming because I forgot to add the data interpolation not correctly. So let me make this name as node.js. Let's move this, and here give the name as node.js. As you guys see, this is now our project with a dynamic data table. So let's add the drag and drop module, add the functionality of drag and drop module. So let's first add in the table body, that is cdk drop list. After that, you guys have to type here cdk drag. Let me move this in new line. Yeah, okay. As now after writing this, you guys see I am going to drag and drop this, but when I found this, it's replaced the others. So let me here add the id to 3 so that we can make changes here easily. Let me move this. You guys see it is coming like this, and when I replace it, it's going to its original position again. So for fix this, let's working on this again. After that, cdk, you guys see I can move here, there, anywhere, but in tables we want to lock the axis so that we cannot move in horizontally, we only move only vertically. So for this you have to write cdk drag lock axis, and here type y. As you guys see, now I am not able to move horizontally. I am only moving the vertically, it's not moving horizontally, so that's cool. Once it's going, you guys have to enter the cdk drop handle, cdk drag handle, sorry, cdk drag handle. so that I can easily. This is our CDK trap handle. Yes, and now we are not handle from here, we only handle from there, you guys see. Yes, let me first remove this. So if you want like data is moving from only one column, so add that CDK handle. But if you want the move is from anywhere, so you don't need to have any handle. Now you can move from 3, now you can move from library as well. But if you add the CDK handle to the specific tower data, you can move only from there. Okay, so that's cool. So now the issue is once it's go to the third position, it's wapsi going to this original position. Now it's like 132, but when I drop it, it's going to this original position. So for fix this, we have to add a event here. Add event CDK drop list, CDK drop list drop, and here add an event of drop at the rate event. Yeah, as drop event is added, we have to create this table or drop function here in component, so that we have to remove any error. You guys see drop gives some error. What error it is giving? Nothing. Yes, nothing error. So as you can see guys, in event you guys see what I am getting in event. Let me show you. So once it compiles, let me save this. So let's open the console, and you guys see it is giving me error and said to open your console. Okay, so let me open my console, and you guys see in info you guys get an object. First, yes, we fix the errors, but listen to me what I am saying. So I just let me fix. See, in React, this is the first position of indexing of array 0, 1 and 2. Now move to React in third position, and it is going to this original position again. So for fix this, now you see in index I am getting the index. Previous index is 1, means React is first of all in one position, but the current index is 2. So after that it is coming here. So to create this, like to fix this error, CDK provides one method, move items in array, otherwise we have to move a lot of work. So if CDK provides method, so why do not we use move items in array, item in array? As you can see, CDK show me a suggestion, move item in array, and add here this dot table data, this dot table data. After that you have to write event dot previous index, as I show you in console before, previous index. After that you have to type event dot current index. So once you write this, you guys see our project is running fine. Okay, why it's give error? Move item in array is also added, so good. Now when I open console, it did not give any error. Let's move to the React to third position, and you guys see it is moving smoothly. So for styling this, like how this review is like a two React library that looking too weird. To add the styling, I have already write some stuff. Let me explain you in CSS. You guys see I have already write some stuff. Control V, and see once this CSS is added, you guys see when I move this node just to in second position and dropped it, it is moving like a good job. So yes guys, this is come to first position, second and third. We can also move any row. This is a draggable rows. It's looking too good to work with Angular material. Let me explain you how this CSS works. A CDK drag preview is like a CSS class that is provided by CDK to work on the drag and drop functionalities. Background color, I gave this the background color to this, and border is also provided to this. You can see padding provide key, and in box shadow you can see here. As there is a simple CSS, there is not enough stuff to get added. I just have to tell you that CDK drag preview is used to add some CSS on CDK things, so that's cool. So guys, you guys see our drag drop table is added. When I move the React to the first position, React is now on the first position, and when I move the Node.js to the first position, Node.js is on my first position. Okay, yeah. So guys, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. If you want guys to I am making this project as more enough to implement an API call on there, so please contact me and tell the in comments. If you want to make the post API through call and a get API through call, I will create a video on sure, be sure. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.